to the next video. So in this video we will be getting started on how to create a module as well as a controller. So first things first, what you will have to do once you have created your NestJS projects, in case you haven't created, you can use this command line tool to create a NestJS project, and you will have to delete all these files like the app controller.spec, app controller.ts, app module and app service. We will create it from scratch. So that's the first thing you will have to delete. It will be found inside the src folder. Once you delete that, you will have to create a module. So to create it, so if you have a NestJS CLI globally installed inside, then you can use this command. So nest generate module followed by your module name. If you haven't, like me, I haven't installed it, so I can use something like npx@nestjs/cli generate module name. Next, you have to create controllers for it as well. So a module requires a controller, so you can either use this command or you can use this command. So here we are saying that generate controller, then we want to generate the controller in a folder called messages. So once you run this generate module command, it will automatically create this messages folder, as well as it will create this message.module.ts. so we want to create this controller file inside this messages folder. So we are saying that create this messages, inside the messages folder create a controller name messages, and keep the hierarchy as flat. If you don't pass -- flat, then it will create a folder called controller in messages folder, so it would be little tedious. And it will automatically once you run this command, it will automatically link your module as well as your controller. Once you do that, you will have to go to main.ts, and here you will have to import validation pipe, because we want to use validation whenever we want to pass some kind of a data. So we want to validate it whether it is proper or not, and here you can use something called app.use global pipes new validation pipe. Now what data we want to validate, so that for that I have created a DTO. So here you will have to create this manually, and here you will have to create a class called create message.dto.ts, and here you can see I have just named it as create message DTO. So we will be using this inside our post request, and I want to say I want to send something called content, and its data type is string. And here the thing with NestJS is that whenever you want to you are creating a DTO, you will have to also create a class validator as well as class transformer. So inside your package.json, you will have to add these two dependencies as well. So just do npm install or yarn install, whatever package manager you are using, and here you will have to use is string @string. This is mandatory, otherwise it won't work. So because like our TypeScript code has been converted to JavaScript, that's what NestJS uses for its advantage. Once you create this, we have already created package.json, and we have also created our message module. So your message module should look something like this. Then inside your controller, here you can see our API would our API would be hosted on localhost : 3000/messages, because our controller starts with messages. Okay, and here inside that I have created three request endpoints. So one is for get, one is for post, and one is to get a particular ID. So in get, I am just returning something called message hello. In post, here you can see I am referencing our DTO, and here you can see I'm just sending whatever content you are sending inside the request, and inside ID I'm just sending the ID back to the user. So pretty simple. And here is my postman, as you can see, and if I do a get request, I just get a message of hello. If I do a post request but inside body, okay, you will have to go to raw, no, not raw, raw, JSON, and here I will just pass my content of hello world. So here you can see it is hello world, and here I'm just passing any ID, so I will just get back that ID. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.